Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change ease on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. And if you're using iOS device, just go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So click on this. So to change the ease, you just need to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of the human shape. Just click on the icon. So right after that, to change, you need to click on this edit scene in the screen. So here you can see birth, which is 1984, my ease. Just click on this, and here you can see show ease on profile, and just change your ease here and confirm it. So in this way, you can change ease on Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.